Hello. I'm sure it's not your first time being stopped for it. Do you have the paperwork for everything being on this side of the car?
What's going on, guys? I am gonna install my carbon fiber mirrors on the S2000 again. I used to have these mirrors before and I took them off just because everybody was bumping into them and they kept on moving, so I had to get off the car and adjust them. They're a little dirty right now. I'll clean them up. So I'm gonna have to be taking off the door panel, which is this. Well, I'll show you guys. Alright, taking off the panel was pretty easy, and to take off the mirror is actually pretty easy too. You got 3 little bolts that are in here. I think they're like 8 or 10 mil, so you got to reach in there and unscrew them, and after that just make sure you take off the harness and the mirror should come off.
The next day.
Well, let me start off with something that I ran over. I ran over something last night. I also fucked up the bumper. Nothing I can't fix. Let me show you guys how the mirrors look. So that's what's going on right now. I am on my way to go buy some sandpaper and some primer, because starting tomorrow I'm gonna start the project and I want to have everything ready. That way I don't have to come home from work, go to the store and buy everything I need. Just putting some gas on the GTR. I still haven't came up with a name for it. Is it a boy or a girl? I don't know. Let's see how much fuel this thing needs.
3 hours later.
Hello. I'm sure it's not your first time being stopped for it. Do you have the paperwork for everything being on this side of the car?
I have a bar label.
Do you?
Yes, it's on the car. It's a sticker that they put on from California
Do you have your driver's
compliance.
license with you?
Yes, I do.
Can I get that, please?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Go for it. All right, hang tight for a bit, okay?
Okay.
How long have you had the car for?
The week of Thanksgiving.
So not too long?
No.
Okay. You also know you don't have a front license plate.
Yes, I do. I have my second one. It's just
You just haven't put it
the
on yet.
Japanese holes are a lot longer, so I'm waiting for a bracket.
What were you doing over here? Do you go to school here? Or?
No, I was visiting my friend.
Okay. All right. You're fine. Get that on there. Okay. If I see you again without it on there, then I'm just gonna ticket you for just about whatever I can. Okay.
Sounds fine.
There you go. Drive safe, man.
Thank you, sir. Wow, guys, freaking cops are haters. Second time I get pulled over. I know he pulled me over because of my front license plate. I don't have it on yet, but he told me that the main reason was because of being on the right side or something. I was like, what the fuck? There's nothing wrong with being on the right side. Alright guys, that's going to be for today's video. I'm just checking the GTR's oil because ever since I've got it, I've been driving it and I haven't checked the oil, so I'm going to have to do an oil change on it pretty soon. It wasn't the cops' fault, they're just doing their job. We're all guilty for our own mistakes and issues, so I'm going to be putting on the license plate on this week. That way I have no more problems and issues and we're good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and remember, stay tuned for next week when the new project starts. See you guys next time.